How to rotate in Google Maps on PC. So if you want to rotate in Google Maps on your PC, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just search for Google Maps, go with maps.google.com, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go and select a place that you would like to rotate. Like you need to I'll just simply go and select this one. Once you've selected the place, you need to just click on it. And then if you want to rotate, you need to left click on that and then like zoom in a bit. You can scroll your cursor and then it will like zoom in or zoom out. You can also use your touchpad and just rotate the map, like select the place and then rotate it. Or if you're not being able to do so on your PC, then you can use your mobile device in order to rotate your Google Maps. Go with Get App, which will be on the left side, and then go with the application, and you'll be able to rotate on your application. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.